Welcome to your Mortgage Insider Update for this week. It's Fed Week. Fed Day starts today. Federal Reserve two-day meeting will conclude on Wednesday. Really not going to be a whole lot of news, at least in the rate change department. More talk about when or if the Fed will start to cut the rates at all this year. More data coming out on Friday, so it should be a pretty good update for next week, as we will have jobs day on Friday, followed by the unemployment numbers from ADP, which comes out tomorrow, same day that the Fed will have their meeting. This most recent inflation data they're reviewing, the PCE report from last week, came in as expected, still higher, 2.8 to 2.7% range for both core and total inflation numbers, not coming down to the 2% level the Fed really wants to see. So let's see what the charts are doing. So today we have the 10-year Treasury up 4 basis points. This is off of a down day yesterday. So 2 days down, 1 day up. We're hovering in a range here. We've been here since April 15th. The Fed's statement this week is going to likely set the tone for longer term, how long inflation is going to carry interest rates at this higher level. Levels that we last saw back in November. It was worse back in October. So we don't think that interest rates are the highest that they could be, because just less than 6 months ago, we had these highs on the 10-year. The inverse of the 10-year Treasury is the mortgage-backed security. Mortgage-backed security prices trade today down 24 basis points. Trading down is going to be negative. Interest rates are rising to the consumer when the investor is paying less for the bond, but similar time frame here from back in April. We're pretty range bound here. But it has been a lot worse back in September. So it could be worse and it could get worse. So hang on to your hats, and we'll see how the increase in inventory gets absorbed with highest interest rates on the year to date. So we'll wait to see what the Fed says tomorrow. On Wednesday, we'll keep an eye on markets for you, come back with an update next week, as we will get unemployment and a lot of new data coming up in the next 10 days with CPI and PPI, so producer price index and consumer price index, the next inflation measures to come up before the mid-month. Have a great week.